Hello again. This is about Bit Series Flipping tutorial, and this one we will talk about item controllers. The first one was about items and equipment, but let's show it up. Here you can get item, can get equipment, but the point is, if I stop the game and play it again, it's still there, so the player can get the same item many times. To sort that, we have this guy. ABS item controller, and the item controller just tell us whenever an item is destroyed so it won't come back. So let's place one actor on map. Now this guy has this list of controlled items. So first let's just add one. Let's add our food actor. So now when I play it, whenever I got it, okay, got it, get the equipment too. Now, when I stopped and played again, as you can see, the food is not there, but equipment isn't because it's not on our item controller. But if you want the item to come back, all you have to do is delete this guy and play it. That's it. Now, if we want to control all items on the map, if you have many, you can check this guy, fetch all items. So whenever it sorts, it will query about all the items in the map and controls it. Now I can get equipment. Okay, now I'll stop and then play it again. As you can see, no items. And if you want them to come back, all you have to do is delete controller. And they're back. On the next stage, we will try to save the inventory so the player can keep the items. See ya.